Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated process of saving a pin on Pinterest. Whether you're gathering inspiration for your next project, collecting recipes, or planning your dream home, saving pins is a fundamental skill. Let's get started. Open Pinterest app. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, you'll land on your home page, which Pinterest populates with a continuous stream of pins based on your interests and past activities. From home page, find the pin you want. Take a moment to scroll through your home feed or use the search bar at the bottom to look for something specific. Maybe you're interested in a new recipe, a DIY project, or fashion inspiration. Whatever it is, Pinterest has you covered. Open the pin. Once you've spotted a pin that catches your eye, tap on it to open it up. This will give you a closer look and provide more details about the pin. Click on Save. Now, look towards the middle of your screen. You will see the Save button. It's typically located in the middle of your screen. Tap on Save. After clicking, Pinterest will ask you where you want to save it. Choose the board that fits. For example, I'm going to just save it on the Kindle Tech board. It's saved. And that's how you save pins on Pinterest. Saving pins on Pinterest is a simple way to keep track of ideas, inspiration, and resources you find on the platform. With these steps, you can easily organize your Pinterest world and revisit your favorite finds anytime. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.